Hey there, this is Travis Robbins from Robbins Rehabilitation, and you're getting this email because you signed up for our shoulder pain workshop that's coming up in our Bethlehem office on Monday. So all the details are below, just to remind you. Dakota and I are doing a workshop. We love doing workshops, and this is the first time we've actually done this kind of workshop, how to get your shoulder to last 110 years. We've done shoulder pain workshops in the past, but now we've taken all that information and kind of aggregated it into a workshop. The workshop's going to be 30 minutes, so we're going to have plenty of time for a question and answer after that if you're interested in that. So Dakota and I will hang out after if you have questions for us for sure. But it's 30-minute workshop, and I need you to tell me a couple things. One, that you're definitely coming. So just hit reply to this email, or my cell phone will be below. You can shoot me a text, whatever is easier for you, because we just need to make sure that we have enough seats and space for everybody. So just make sure you let me know if you're coming. Two, I want you to tell me, reply to this, or shoot me a text, 0 to 10. 0 is no pain, 10, you have to go to the hospital. What has the pain in your shoulder gotten to at its worst in the last 7 days? So give us a number for that. And three, if you have any specific questions about your shoulder that you want to ask us beforehand, I always ask this question to people that attend our workshops because all of our workshops are different. I want to make it specific to the people that are coming to the workshop. So if you have any questions about shoulder pain, then go ahead and reply to that or shoot me a text and let me know so that I can make sure I cover that in detail in the workshop. All right, if you guys have any questions about anything at all, just hit reply to this. I reply to this to make sure that we confirm your registration, that you're definitely coming. I want to know your pain level, and I want to know if you have any questions about the shoulder before you get to the workshop on Monday night. All right, thanks for your time, and we'll see you on Monday night.